In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot common issues with the Temu app on your device. If you're having trouble getting the app to work properly, these steps might just do the trick. To get started, the first thing you'll want to check is that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Connectivity issues are often at the root of app problems, so ensuring your device has a solid internet connection is a crucial initial step. Once you've confirmed your internet connection, go ahead and restart your phone or tablet. This simple action can resolve many issues by clearing out any temporary glitches or bugs your device might be experiencing. A quick restart can do wonders and is a great way to ensure that any minor issues don't get in your way. Next, you'll want to clear the cache of your Temu app. Cache data can sometimes become corrupted or outdated, leading to all sorts of unexpected behavior. To clear the cache, head over to your device's settings, navigate to the apps section, find your Temu app, and then locate the option to clear the cache. This doesn't delete any of your personal data on the app, but simply refreshes the stored temporary files. After clearing the cache, it's time to verify that your device's internet connection is functioning properly. Open the Chrome browser and try loading a website. This step ensures that there aren't any broader connectivity issues affecting your device beyond just the app itself. Now make sure your Temu app is up to date. Developers frequently release updates to fix bugs, enhance security, or add new features. Go to your app store and check if there's an update available for the Temu app. If there is, be sure to download and install it. If you're using a VPN or a proxy on your device, it might be a good idea to disable these temporarily. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with your app's ability to connect to the internet. By turning them off, you can determine whether they're contributing to the problem. If, after trying all these steps, the issue persists, you may need to reinstall the Temu app. To do this, simply uninstall the app from your device and then reinstall it from the App Store. Reinstalling ensures you have a fresh and clean copy, which can alleviate any installation-specific issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most of the issues experiencing the Temu app. Remember, a stable internet connection and up-to-date app versions are crucial, so always start there. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.